my nail broke trying to do this video, and now this is ghetto and I can't have my hair done and now my nails done. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And as you read by today's title, you already know what we're about to get into. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So I know most of y'all probably hear from the video I literally just posted. And if you haven't watched that video, stop this video, click whichever way it is. I'll get it one day. I'll get it someday. Go tap that. It's a little card. It's gonna come out. It's gonna fly out or something. Whichever way it's gonna fly out. Go tap that, because that's literally the video I just posted, and it was me reviewing this easy detangler brush. So go watch that, because that's how I got my hair detangled. So yeah. Anyway, back to this video. In today's video, I'm gonna try to do this sleek braid situation. Have I done this before? No, not at the position that I'm doing it, but I have done a low sleek braid situation. I'll put a picture in. So my hair is detangled. Only thing I have on it is the leave-in right now. I didn't put too much product on my hair because I didn't want it to be too slippery. The products I usually use for my slip backs, I'm going to be using the same exact thing, which is this Edge Booster styling gel. This gel is like $15–16. This is a very expensive gel, so if you don't want to use or pay this much for a gel, I totally understand. Then you know, you can use Eco or Wetline Extreme. Those are more so cheaper gels, but I got this gel because it slicks down my 4C hair, and I'll put some pictures of some slip backs I've done before using this, and it usually gets me right every time. So then I'll be using this Edge Booster gel for, like, you know, the edges and stuff like that. So let's get into this video starting now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair off. The back is already closed. Now I'm just gonna figure out how I want the placement to be. So I'm gonna take my Style Factor gel. I'm going to get some, I'm just gonna put it on the back part of my hair. So once I've brushed my hair up, I'm going to take a big scrunchie. I have it looped right now, but it's a one big scrunchie. Make sure I have it where I want it. And then I'm gonna do this back section. Take these out. Now I'm just going to take this front section out and detangle like I did previously. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this around. Y'all, my nail just broke. This is my real nail too. And I get them done tomorrow, so I mean it's not that bad, but still. So I'm back. I ended up having to actually braid my hair with the braiding hair. This is how it came out looking. And I actually like this look better than what I was gonna do. What I was gonna do is, you know, braid it and then flip it around. But when I got in the bathroom and I tried to flip it around, it just wasn't, it was not it at all. So I was just like, you know what, even though I don't want to braid my real hair with the braiding hair, I'm going to have to. The only reason why I didn't want to was because I felt like it wasn't going to look good, like it was going to be a lot of puffy parts, but it's not any puffy parts. I'm sorry I didn't get that on camera for you all, but I did just braid my hair with the braiding hair like usual, and I braided it all the way down, and I put a rubber band on it because I plan to make some curls at the end, so I'll probably put like a perm rod or two at the end just so it can be some type of curl there. And I did leave this part out, and some of y'all probably already know what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue free spray. I'm just going to put that on here. What I like to do whenever I have my hair slicked back in some type of way, I like to wait a whole day. So I leave my do-rag on the entire day and night, of course, and then I take it off in the morning or wherever I'm about to go. Whenever I'm about to leave the house or something, that's when I take it off. So this is what the bottom's looking like. I'll more than likely dip them tonight so that I can be good and ready to go for my nail appointment tomorrow, because as y'all know, my nail broke trying to do this video, and now this is ghetto and I can't have my hair done and now my nails done. But thank the Lord that I'm getting them done tomorrow. That's all that matters. So yeah. So I'll be back tomorrow to show you all the rest of the results from this braid. So yeah, stay tuned. It is currently the next day, and this is how my hair turned out. Now, before we, you know, judge, so I did go ahead. I've been out a little bit today, so there are some flyaways you may be able to see over here, but you know, overall it looks good. The gel definitely serves its purpose, get my hair all under control. It's just I've been out, so it's not as flat as when I first took my do-rag off this morning, and I wasn't able to record that because I was actually running late and I had absolutely no time to record. But so I actually didn't cut the ends off because, like I said, I was in a rush this morning. So I'm just gonna cut that part off, so it's literally a full curl or whatever. So it's a curl at the bottom, and this is how my hair turned out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.